This is the Roborock Qrevo Master, and honestly, it might be one of the most complete robot vacuum and mop combos I've tested this year. Roborock claims it can vacuum, mop, avoid obstacles, clean itself, and basically eliminate most of your floor cleaning chores. Sounds amazing, right? But after spending time looking at what experts and reviewers found in real-world testing, I discovered a few things that Roborock's marketing doesn't exactly highlight. So, is this premium cleaning machine actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. Roborock Qrevo Master Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Roborock Qrevo Master is a premium robot vacuum and mop system designed for homeowners who want flagship-level cleaning without stepping all the way up to Roborock's ultra-expensive top-tier models. Released in 2026, it sits near the top of Roborock's lineup and combines powerful vacuuming, intelligent obstacle avoidance, advanced mopping, and a fully automated docking station. Its biggest selling point is simple. It delivers many of the premium features you'd expect from robot vacuums costing significantly more. The package includes automatic mop washing, hot air drying, self-emptying dust collection, and intelligent navigation. Roborock Qrevo Master Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? This is where the Qrevo Master really shines. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, crumbs, dust, or everyday household messes, the vacuuming performance is genuinely impressive. The suction power is among the strongest available in today's robot vacuum market, and reviewers consistently found that it handled both hard floors and carpets extremely well. One feature I particularly like is how intelligently it transitions between floor types. When it encounters carpet, it automatically boosts suction and adjusts its cleaning behavior. In real-world homes, that means less babysitting and more reliable cleaning. The mopping system is equally impressive. Instead of dragging a static cloth around the floor, it uses rotating mop pads that actively scrub surfaces. For dried spills, footprints, and everyday grime, this creates a noticeable difference compared to basic robot mops. Navigation is another highlight. The robot maps rooms quickly and moves with purpose, instead of randomly bouncing around like older robot vacuums. It efficiently cleans large spaces while avoiding most common household obstacles. Features and tech. Let's talk about some standout features, because this is where the Qrevo Master starts separating itself from the competition. First up is the multifunction dock. This isn't just a charging station. It automatically empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads, and dries them with warm air. That means fewer odors, less maintenance, and significantly less hands-on work. Second is the intelligent obstacle avoidance system. Using cameras and sensors, the robot can recognize and navigate around common household items like shoes, cables, and toys. That's a huge benefit if you don't want to clean your floors before the robot cleans your floors. Third is the FlexiArm side brush and edge cleaning technology. This allows the robot to reach closer to walls and corners where dirt tends to accumulate. Those hard-to-reach spots are usually where robot vacuums struggle most. And finally, there's the Roborock app. It offers detailed mapping, room-specific cleaning schedules, no-go zones, and customizable cleaning routines. For busy households, that level of control is incredibly useful. Design and build. Aesthetically, Roborock did a fantastic job here. The Qrevo Master looks sleek, modern, and premium without being flashy. The robot itself maintains the familiar circular design, but the overall build quality feels solid and well-engineered. The docking station is larger than what you'll find on budget robot vacuums, but that's expected considering everything it does. The trade-off is absolutely worth it because it dramatically reduces maintenance. One thing I appreciate is that the dock looks clean enough to leave out in the open. It doesn't scream appliance the way some competing systems do. Pros: exceptional vacuuming performance on hard floors and carpets, effective rotating mop system with automatic washing and drying, premium app experience with extensive customization options. Cons: dock requires a decent amount of floor space. Obstacle avoidance is excellent, but not completely foolproof. Final verdict. So who is this for? And is it worth the money? If you're someone who wants one of the best robot vacuum and mop combinations available today, the Roborock Qrevo Master is incredibly easy to recommend. It delivers flagship-level cleaning performance, excellent automation, smart navigation, and a genuinely useful self-maintaining dock. Look, if you're a busy professional, a pet owner, or someone who simply hates cleaning floors, this is close to a no-brainer. The time savings alone can justify the investment. However, if you're shopping on a tighter budget and only need basic vacuuming, there are cheaper alternatives that will get the job done.